So after my last sprint video, there is this super long comment by Coach Thomas. And to understand what he's talking about here, we really need to get to the roots of the biomechanics of the sprint start. So what's the goal of a sprint start? The goal, as many of you might think, is to accelerate forward. To do that, according to Newton's laws of motion, you need to generate a lot of backward forces both against the blocks as well as against the ground. But that's not it. Say you're in this position, in this sort of posture, what's going to happen to you? For me, I'll follow my face, right? Because I cannot generate enough forces to maintain my balance here. So as always, even though there is a seemingly obvious objective of forward acceleration, there's always a secondary objective of maintaining balance. Therefore, the biomechanics of the sprint start essentially is a careful management of two objectives, forward acceleration and balance maintenance. Therefore, to do that, you need to make sure that your body's posture and your position of center of mass is coordinating with the directions of the ground reaction forces, and we'll talk more about that in a later video. Follow if you enjoy this kind of content.